Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, as you guys see by the title, we are reviewing this beautiful curly wig. Girl, I am in love. So this here was sent to me from Uspecial on Amazon, and girl, I am in love. This wig is everything, okay? It is a lot of hair. You guys gonna see that in the beginning. I had to put some mousse in it to take me down, girl. This is 100% human hair. I did experience a few shedding, so I use mousse to tame me down, and I actually like it like this. It looks like Toni Braxton back in the day, an album cover when she had this type of wig, girl, just looking fabulous. This is a beautiful unit, and I will give you guys the specs about this here in a minute, but I'm just like feeling myself, show you guys what I got in the box here. Got a wig cap, so I got a cue card and a band. Okay, and the hair come in this right here. Okay, so this is Uspecial hair store, and this is a human hair lace front wig. So this is 13 by 4 lace front wig, and it's 150 density, and this is a 20-inch. Okay, so this is natural color. This is like a 1B. So it's pre-plucked Brazilian virgin hair, and it has baby hair. So what I realized with this wig, it's a little too big for my head, especially the front right here. So I just put a little like pin on each side to bring it down so it could, you know, look a little flatter. So this is a 13 by 4, and the lace stop right here. Okay, there's no lace in the back here. It just stopped right here. And then I just put a little bit of hair to cover the tracks in the back. You guys gonna see at the end of the video how I try to style it. You know, I tried different ways, but I was like, you know what? I need to do a center part this time because I always do like side part. So if you like big hair, this is for you. It's really thick. It's really long. This is the most that I use in the video. Love this. This is my holy grail. I use it a lot in those type of wigs. Holds the curls really good, and it's drying down a little bit. At first I wet it to see how it's gonna dry down, but it was drying down too dry. I didn't like that. Do something different this time, so you guys could see other things that you could do with this wig. You just have a little like fragrant smell, but nothing that you can't stand. And girl, look at this. Out of the plastic bag. You could wear it like that if you want to, but you know me, I just like to do my own thing to fit my face, and I'm in love. This is a great unit. I am impressed with this Amazon wig. Very pretty, really thick. Like you guys could see, like it's drying down now, so you know. And this is a 20-inch. It stopped right there. Okay, and let me know what you guys think about this wig. If you're looking for a curly wig on Amazon, check out uspecialhair.com. I will have all the information in the description box down below. I also have a storefront. If you buy anything from the storefront, just remember that I get a small commission from that sale. So if you guys want to support your girl, you know, the link is down below, or if you just want to shop the normal way, you can. It's up to you, but I would have everything down below for you guys. So let me know in the comments below what you guys think. What you guys think about this beautiful unit. I would like to hear what you guys have to say. So thank you guys. See you in my next video. Bye guys.